I'm Vietnamese. I'm here to make Vietnam stronger. I'm global citizen. I communicate with the whole world. I'm passionate about learning English. I know I will speak perfect English. I will devote all my time and effort. I enjoy listening to English every day. I enjoy speaking English everywhere. I fearless to express myself. I'm fearless to talk to foreigners, no matter how hard it is, no matter how long it takes, no matter what they say. I still believe myself. I'm going to make it. Just do it. Do it. Do it right here, right now.